Unleash the power of olive oil. Incredible health benefits of consuming 2 tablespoons daily. Hello, I'm Dr. Rob, a manual physical therapist with over 20 years of experience. Today, we're diving deep into the remarkable world of olive oil. We'll discuss the extraordinary health benefits you could gain by consuming just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil every day. But be warned, not all olive oils are created equal, and we'll also expose the truth about fake olive oil and guide you on how to find the real stuff. So buckle up, because this is going to be an eye-opening journey. The importance of choosing genuine olive oil. Most people are unaware that a significant portion of olive oil on the market is fake, often diluted with cheaper oils like soy or canola. A few years ago, I discovered the real taste of authentic extra virgin olive oil, and the difference was astonishing. It had a peppery, grass-like flavor and even caused a slight irritation in the back of my throat, all indicators of genuine olive oil. I visited the Vittori San Michele farm in Italy, where I learned about their meticulous process and unwavering dedication to producing high-quality olive oil. This experience taught me the value of using genuine olive oil for maximum health benefits. The amazing benefits of olive oil. A deep dive. Olive oil contains numerous phytonutrients with a wide range of health benefits. Here, we'll explore these effects in greater detail. 1. Cardiovascular health. Olive oil is rich in compounds that offer powerful cardioprotective properties. Studies have shown that it can significantly lower blood pressure and improve heart health. One such study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that participants who followed a Mediterranean diet supplemented with extra virgin olive oil had a 30% reduction in the risk of major cardiovascular events. By adding more potassium, vitamin D, and reducing sugar intake, you can further enhance these cardiovascular benefits. 2. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Olive oil is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help alleviate pain and inflammation in the body. Its analgesic properties make it a natural and effective remedy for reducing discomfort. In fact, a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that the anti-inflammatory effects of extra virgin olive oil are comparable to those of ibuprofen, highlighting its potential as a natural pain reliever. 3. Antimicrobial effects. Some phytonutrients found in olive oil have been shown to exhibit antimicrobial properties, helping to protect your body from harmful microorganisms. Research has shown that the compound oleuropein found in olive oil can inhibit the growth of various bacteria and fungi, providing a natural defense against infections. 4. Blood sugar and insulin regulation. Olive oil can support the beta cells in the pancreas, which are responsible for regulating blood sugar levels and producing insulin. This can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. A study published in Diabetes Care found that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil was effective in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes by 40% compared to a low-fat diet. 5. Anti-cancer and anti-arthritic benefits. Certain compounds in olive oil have demonstrated anti-cancer and anti-arthritic properties, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. A study published in the journal Molecular Nutrition, a food research, found that the polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce apoptosis, cell death, in cancerous cells. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects can help alleviate arthritis symptoms and improve joint mobility. 6. Brain and nervous system protection. Olive oil can protect the hypothalamus and the substantia nigra, two parts of the brain responsible for dopamine production and other vital functions. Olive oil's neuroprotective properties can help preserve brain health and may even reduce the risk of developing Parkinson's disease. A study published in the journal Movement Disorders found that individuals who followed a Mediterranean diet, which includes olive oil, had a lower risk of developing Parkinson's disease compared to those who consumed a standard Western diet. 7. Prostate health and cholesterol balance. Olive oil contains sterols, compounds similar to cholesterol and steroids, which can benefit individuals with benign prostatic hyperplasia, enlarged prostate. Furthermore, these sterols can help balance cholesterol levels by reducing the small, dense LDL particles that are more likely to cause arterial plaque buildup. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming extra virgin olive oil can improve the lipoprotein profile in healthy individuals, further supporting its role in maintaining heart health. 8. Skin health and anti-aging benefits. Olive oil is an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promote skin healing, and slow down the aging process. By incorporating olive oil into your daily diet, you can support healthy, youthful-looking skin and potentially reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. A study published in the journal PLOS ONE found that individuals who consumed a Mediterranean diet, which includes olive oil, had fewer signs of skin aging compared to those who followed a standard Western diet. In conclusion, the extraordinary health benefits of consuming just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily are hard to ignore. From cardiovascular health to anti-inflammatory properties, blood sugar regulation to brain protection, and even skin health, olive oil offers a wealth of advantages. By incorporating genuine, high-quality olive oil into your daily routine, you can unlock these incredible benefits and support a healthier, more vibrant life. If you found this information valuable and eye-opening, please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful health tips and advice. Stay healthy, and until next time, take care